How to pin a message in Telegram X. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can pin a message in Telegram X. So kindly watch till the end. The first step, of course, is to open up the Telegram X application on your device, and then once you've done so, you will be brought to the page where you would see all of your messages. Alright, all of your chats so far. And once you can see this, the next step is to navigate to the chat or to the group where you want to pin a message. So for me, I'll just be selecting this particular chat. So after doing that, locate the specific message you wish to pin. Alright. So after locating the message, all you need to do is to click on the message this way. Do not long press, just click on the message. So after clicking on the message, you can see options for you to react to the message, such as the thumbs up, thumbs down, and all of that. And then you can see other options like reply, share, pin, copy link, copy more. Just go ahead and click on pin, and then you see the option asking you if you would like to notify all members that you pinned the message. If you would like to notify them, you can just leave the box checked, but if not, you can just uncheck the box and then click on pin, and then the message would be pinned just like that. You can do this for as many as possible. This is how you can pin a message on Telegram X. Thanks for watching and have a good day.